In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the size of a PowerPoint file quickly and effectively. If you've ever tried to email a presentation and seen that it's too large to send, or struggled with slow uploads and lagging slides, this tutorial is exactly what you need. We'll walk step by step through compressing images and adjusting default resolution settings so your PowerPoint file becomes much smaller without noticeably affecting quality. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important setting that can permanently keep your file smaller. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Large file sizes are usually caused by high-resolution images, so we're going to start by compressing those images directly inside the file. Click on any picture in your presentation. Once you select the picture, you'll notice a new tab appear at the top of the screen called Picture Format under Picture Tools. Go ahead and click on the Format tab under Picture Tools. In the ribbon at the top, look for the Adjust group. Inside that section, you'll see an option called Compress Pictures. Click on Compress Pictures. A dialog box will appear with compression options. In most cases, you can simply click OK to apply the default compression settings. This will reduce the resolution of the selected images and remove unnecessary image data, which significantly lowers the file size. If you want the compression applied to all images in the presentation, make sure no specific image is restricted before clicking OK. Once you confirm, PowerPoint will compress the images and immediately reduce the overall file size. Now that we've compressed the existing images, let's adjust a setting that controls how PowerPoint handles images going forward. This step is extremely important if you regularly work with images and want to prevent your files from becoming too large in the future. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of PowerPoint. This will open the Backstage view. From here, scroll down in the File menu until you see Options, and then click on Options. The PowerPoint Options dialog box will appear. In the left sidebar, click on Advanced. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Image Size and Quality. This section controls the default resolution for images inside your presentation. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Default Resolution. Click on that drop-down. By default, it's often set to a higher resolution, which increases file size. From the list, select 96 ppi. Choosing 96 ppi significantly reduces the size of images while still keeping them clear enough for most presentations, especially if they are being displayed on screens rather than printed. Once you select 96 ppi, click OK to apply the changes. From now on, images inserted into this presentation will use the lower resolution setting, helping you maintain a smaller file size automatically. After completing these steps, it's a good idea to save your presentation and check the file size. In many cases, you'll notice a dramatic reduction, especially if your presentation contains multiple high-resolution images. And that's it. You've successfully reduced the size of your PowerPoint file by compressing images and adjusting the default resolution settings. This method is quick, built directly into PowerPoint, and doesn't require any third-party tools. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.